Hi everybody, I'm just doing this video to talk to you about an extra credit assignment that I'm giving your class. This will be due the day of exam number 3, which is I think March 22nd. You're going to find this assignment in the week 9 module. It goes hand in hand with the proteins chapter, which is chapter 20. I've uploaded a sheet that is the structure of insulin, and what I want you guys to do for 10 extra credit points, those 10 extra credit points are going to be added on to your lowest exam grade. What you're going to do is identify all of the amino acids in insulin using 3-letter abbreviations. Once you do chapter 20, you'll understand what I mean by 3-letter abbreviations, and you will also have to indicate what category, what R group category each one is in. If it's nonpolar, polar neutral, polar acidic, or polar basic. Again, once you do chapter 20, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, so this is the sheet that I'm uploading. I just wanted to show you what some people have done in the past. You don't have to laminate it, but look at what they did. They put a box around each amino acid and color coded it. So what you have to do is tell me, let's say all the all the nonpolar are blue, all the polar neutral are red, all the polar acidic are purple, all the polar basic are green, whatever colors you want, but you have to color code it so that each category of amino acid has a different color. So there'll be 4 different colors. It has to be very neat. Again, like I said, you don't have to laminate, but some students have done that. This one was someone else who didn't laminate but made it really big. You don't have to make it really big. You can do it on the sheet itself. Just make sure it's super duper neat, okay? And you should be able to get it all done. Tell me how many nonpolar there are, how many polar neutral, how many polar acidic, how many polar basic. All of this is in your book. You cannot just send me a list of amino acids. You have to do it directly on the sheet, and it has to be 3-letter abbreviations, and it has to be color coded based on our groups. Okay, so I'm just giving this to you now in case some of you are working ahead and get through the protein chapter over spring break by some amazing thing, and then you could go ahead and get started on this. But honestly, you don't need to do it until you get to chapter 20. And just make sure you turn it in to Dr. Gleason the day of exam 3. If it's not turned in right then and there, then you won't get any points at all. Okay? It's a great opportunity. 10 whole percentage points. I would do it if I were you. Okay? Email me if any of this confuses you. And have a great spring break. I will see you on Tuesday, March the 15th. I'll have a Zoom for you guys to talk about quiz number 6, which will be on the lipid chapter, which is chapter 19. All right? Have a good week. All right. Bye, guys.